In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set email automation Intercom. We are going to create a simple email automation in Intercom using a workflow that sends a single message. This is a great option when you want to reach a specific group of users with a clear one-time email, like an onboarding note, a product update, or a reminder. First, look at the left sidebar in Intercom and click Outbound. You will recognize it by the paper plane icon. Outbound is where Intercom keeps tools for sending messages proactively, including campaigns and automated workflows. Next, click New Message, and then choose Workflows. Workflows are designed for automated messaging based on rules you set, so they are ideal for sending emails consistently without manual follow-up. Now click New Workflow. This starts the Workflow Builder, where you will choose the type of message you want to send and define who should receive it. When you see the workflow options, select Send a Single Message. This workflow type focuses on delivering one message to the right audience based on your filters, rather than building a longer sequence. It is a clean, simple place to start if you are setting up automation for the first time. After that, click Email. This ensures your message will be delivered as an email, instead of in-app or another channel. Make sure your email content is written with email in mind, with a clear subject and a focused message. Next, set your audience filters. This part matters the most, because it controls exactly who will receive the email. Take your time here and be specific. Use filters that match your goal, and double-check that the audience is neither too broad nor too narrow. If you have access to an audience preview, use it to confirm the right people are included. Once your audience is set, click Edit Content to write your email. Keep your message clear and easy to scan. Use a direct subject line, explain the purpose early, and include one clear next action. Before moving on, proofread for typos and confirm that any links are correct. Finally, click Set Live. This publishes the workflow and activates your email automation based on the audience rules you configured. That covers everything you need to know.